Tallemenco developed its P.I.P.E.S auditing service in 2005. P.I.P.E.S stands for Pumping and Irrigation Pipeline Efficiency Service. So what exactly is P.I.P.E.S? P.I.P.E.S is a unique irrigation auditing service that identifies pumping and pipeline issues in irrigation or water supply systems. It uses customized data loggers to gather data usually from an overnight irrigation. This data is then interpreted with the benefit of over 40 years of pumping and pipeline systems experience, and then offers economical money-saving solutions. To see how P.I.P.E.S can be used to evaluate site problems, let's divide typical irrigation issues into 3 categories. Type 1 are symptoms that can be seen and the problem readily identified. Type 2 are symptoms that can be seen but the problem cannot be readily identified. And Type 3 are symptoms that cannot be seen and the problem cannot be readily identified. Type 1 systems that can be seen and the problem identified include surface water from a broken pipe or sprinkler misting caused by overpressure. These problems can be easily identified and fixed by local crews. Other obvious problems include poor installation, such as flow meters. Flow meter accuracy can be severely compromised by poor pipework selection. In fact, inadequate straight pipe upstream from a flow meter can result in accuracy errors up to 25%. Also, poorly selected and fitted pump suction pipework can affect pump performance. Type 2 problems include such items as split pipes and donuts. Pipe splits can be caused by pumping or irrigation controller issues. Donuts, or dry circles on an irrigated turf, are caused from inadequate pressure. A P.I.P.E.S audit can quickly determine what issues are causing split pipes and donuts, and offer economical solutions to restore irrigation efficiency. High power bills are the bane of the irrigation industry. Whether they're electric or diesel powered pumps, a P.I.P.E.S audit can analyse power costs, pump efficiency and irrigation schedules to optimise power consumption and save running costs. In another Type 2 example, a bore pump has stopped on no flow. There are several possible causes, including a falling water table, excessive irrigation flows, or deteriorating bore screens. Those causes responsible for the pump stopping can quickly be determined by a P.I.P.E.S audit. Similarly, a pump motor which has stopped or failed may have been caused either by a low supply voltage or other electrical issue. Perhaps it was from an over-discharging pump caused from a faulty pressure sustaining valve. Specialised data loggers used in a P.I.P.E.S audit can quickly determine what caused the pump motor to stop or fail. Type 3 problems show no obvious symptoms, but in fact are bad for operating efficiency and are known to exist in many irrigation systems. Residual sprinkler pressures at the extremities of irrigation systems can vary to such an extent that if the irrigation schedule was optimised with a P.I.P.E.S audit, the pump set point could be reduced by several metres head, thereby reducing electricity costs. Pressure spikes in pump outputs may be caused by either the pump controller or poor irrigation scheduling, and usually causes pipes to split. Either way, pressure spikes are destructive to pipes, but can be detected and eliminated with a P.I.P.E.S audit. In this Type 3 problem, the operator's theoretical irrigation tree, shown on the left, varies considerably from the actual flow rate data logged on the right. Advanced flow management irrigation controls are only as good as the information fed into them, such as pipe length and diameter. As a result, residual pressure and flows may not be as you would expect. A P.I.P.E.S audit can confirm if you're getting the most out of your irrigation controller, and by tweaking the parameters, can optimise pressure and flows in even the most advanced irrigation controllers. In this actual example, a golf course had a split pipe problem resulting in massive repair bills. A P.I.P.E.S audit traced pressure spikes in the pump output to a faulty pump controller. When the pump controller was changed, the pump pressure was restored to a constant pressure output and pipe bursts were all but eliminated. Pressure not used is pressure wasted. A P.I.P.E.S audit will reveal this wastage, just as it's done in this actual example, where a large variation of residual pressure was detected at the end of an irrigation system. A thorough analysis of the hydraulic system and irrigation schedule resulted in optimised flows and pressure, which allowed the pump set point to be lowered by 5 metres head. This saved $8,000 in electricity over 10 years, based on 300 megalitres pumped per annum. Each P.I.P.E.S audit is accompanied by a detailed report to the client and includes an economic analysis with recommended solutions on such items as pump systems and controls, station pipework, filtration, pipeline upgrades, and sprinkler suitability. This report can then be used by the irrigation operator to request funding for rehabilitation works. So, where can P.I.P.E.S be used? Its main application is to existing irrigation systems where pressure and flow can be optimised to save power and water costs. Other areas of application include assessing an existing irrigation system before it's upgraded and verifying the performance of a newly installed irrigation system as part of commissioning. P.I.P.E.S is equally applicable to agriculture, nurseries, landscaping, turf and golf. P.I.P.E.S is Tallemenco's flagship service, and manager Rob Welke's extensive background in pumping and hydraulics provides clients with the best problem-solving service that the irrigation industry has to offer. This service is offered throughout Australia and Southeast Asia. P.I.P.E.S, it's guaranteed to save you money. For more information, go to tally.biz.